loves, my name is Winnie G. My hair has been washed, twisted, braided. Honey, she been through it, and right now she just in a really weird in-between stage, and we got to get her together. So Nadula to the rescue. Thank you, girls. They sent me over this wig, and today's video is sponsored by them. All of the information will be down below in the description bar. But girl, it's a kinky straight U-part wig in 24 inches and 150% density. And right now Miss Lady is on sale for about $150, but I think I have a $20 off coupon down below, so definitely check that out if you want to go ahead and pick this wig up. We are trying to save all of the coins that we can in this economy, sweetheart. Everyone. So right now I'm trying to get an idea of how much hair that I need to leave out. This is a U part and not a V part, so I have the option to leave out a little bit more hair, and if I wanted to I could sew her on, but today I'm going for something kind of quick. So I'm parting out my leave out, laying the wig up against it, making sure that everything is laying how I want it to, and once I have it situated, we can get into the braiding pattern. So this is all of the hair that we're going to be putting up. All of my leave out is kind of twisted up out of the way. I'm starting off by putting a smaller braid along my edges in the front. The section is about 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch thick. I'm braiding it down to my ear, and then I'm splitting the rest of my hair in half so I can create these two little like pigtail situations. But I fed the first smaller braid into the pigtail so that it just became one big braid, and I'm doing that on both sides. So instead of ending up with 4 braids, I'm ending up with 2, and I just have these 2 little, you know, Pippi Longstopping, 2 little pippies. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pin those up, and this is our braiding pattern today. Super simple, super easy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my edges. I have the heat on low. I'm just kind of running over them to soften the texture a little bit so it blends in a little bit better with the weave. And don't mind my little scraggly edges, child. I called myself cutting fringe bangs, and apparently I missed some pieces, so ignore that. This is the wig, and we got to go ahead and get her prepped. So I'm taking out the adjustable band that it comes with, and I'm trimming off this excess lace in the back. I don't see people mention it in videos, but I saw a girl outside with it still on her wig, and I feel like I need to be the one to let the girls know. Cut it off. Cut it off and cut it out, girl. Don't do it. I typically wash my wigs, but baby, I was in a rush, and I wanted to show you guys what I would do in that situation because I'm in that situation, child. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop her on. There's clips around the part and combs along the side and the back, and that's essentially it. This install only took me about 15 minutes tops. I didn't apply any additional heat on my hair. I just kind of brushed it in to blend. And to polish everything up and kind of finish the look, I'm going in with some really soft baby hair, a little sideburn swoop, a little something on the sides, nothing too crazy, but I really feel like it added something to this look. It made it look a little bit more intentional, which I really like. If you're looking for a wig to just throw on in a pinch that looks really natural, matches your hair texture, and is gonna finesse a few people, this is the one for you. She's on sale right now for $150, but I believe I have a coupon code for $20 down in the description bar. So if you're interested in picking this wig up, definitely use that coupon code because we're trying to save all the coins we can in this economy, sister girl. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. She's giving soft, she's giving supple, she's given this is my natural hair, don't even ask me. I love that people don't ask me where I got my hair from when I wear this wig. People ask me how long I've been growing my hair out, and I just tell them 3 years, unless it's a sis, and then I go ahead and give her the tea. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All of the information about this wig will be down below in the description bar, and I will be back with another video soon. Let me know if you guys want to see me sew a U part on and maybe straighten it out and kind of give a little Aaliyah moment, because I have that on my heart. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, babes. Nadula.